To connect Coinbase to CoinLedger, you will need to follow a series of steps that allow you to import your transaction data from Coinbase into CoinLedger for easy tracking and tax reporting. First, create an account on CoinLedger if you have not already done so. CoinLedger is a cryptocurrency tax software that helps you calculate your capital gains and losses from crypto transactions. Next, log into your CoinLedger account and navigate to the Imports page. On this page, you will see a list of supported exchanges, including Coinbase. Click on the Coinbase option to begin the import process. You will be asked to choose the type of import you want to perform. You can either import your transaction history via API or by uploading a CSV file. The API import method is recommended as it is more efficient and accurate. To connect to the Coinbase API, you will need to create an API key on your Coinbase account. Log into your Coinbase account and go to the API settings page. Create a new API key and give it a label, such as CoinLedger. Make sure to select the correct permissions for the API key, which should include read access to your accounts and transactions. You will also need to create a passphrase for the API key. Once you have created the API key, copy the API key and secret phrase and go back to the CoinLedger imports page. Enter the API key and secret phrase into the corresponding fields and click Connect. CoinLedger will then connect to your Coinbase account and import your transaction history. This may take a few minutes depending on the number of transactions you have. Once the import is complete, you will be able to see your Coinbase transactions in your CoinLedger account. You can then use CoinLedger to calculate your capital gains and losses and generate tax reports. It is essential to keep your API keys and secret phrases secure to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. Also, make sure to regularly update your transaction history in CoinLedger to ensure accurate tax reporting. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Coinbase account to CoinLedger and start tracking your cryptocurrency transactions for tax purposes.